Tatalong-talong. Tatalong-talong. Tinatas yung suka mo. Inom yan. Dito yan.
Porque yo ya sabía desde cuándo. Pues también sabe, yo ya le di antes. Y el papel de ella se lo puso en el... O que le mande una captura de lo que ella le mandó. Y le hace una foto así, o déjenlo. Chica, chica.
Chica, chica.
Aurora.
Chica, chica, Dora.
Ortega. Aurora.
Ortega. We have a lot of Ortegas in La Union.
Let me see the spelling of Aurora.
Ortega.
Aurora.
I was gonna think you, but I was like, I don't know.
Ortega. Or mostly politicians.
Really?
Mm.
Dang. I don't know the politicians.
Hmm. If you search it up, no, Ortega in the Philippines.
What island are you from?
North side.
You have to do a lot of travel once you land.
No, just one. Manila, then
You're next.
my
Mr. Rico telling us he goes like 12 hours in or something.
Yeah.
Hello, like, what?
from probably
From landing, I guess he lands
Mhm.
and then he has to go in.
another 12 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, geez, yeah. It's kind of far, huh?
Yeah, well, not bad.
Huh.
That's why when they go, he says they stay a while there.
But if you're far from Manila, most of probably it's a good island, you know.
Oh. There's a guy here with a lot of tomatoes or what is it, like big old water stuff? Those sound worse.
We have typhoon in there.
Oh, those are bad.
Mhm.
Oh, rainy.
Mhm.
Oh, the guy. Already, huh? Christmas food, maybe she said something down to December. They spread the joy. You can enjoy, huh? This is the weather we want. Inches expected for us. We need it.
Yep.
Raincoats. Cool.
40% rain. And then rain one. Saturday rain. I let my kid play at 9. Guess he'll be playing soccer at 9 with rain.
Is it gonna rain? Weekend?
It says Saturday, yeah.
Oh.
But you know they guess.
Mhm.
So it's whatever it wants. But I don't think it'll be as bad. I think it'll be like the finishing end of it.
Mhm.
But I think another wave is coming in next week. Oh yeah, it's gonna be. Actually, here it shows rain from Thursday all the way through Wednesday, Tuesday next week. Dang.